Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Love. In this class we are going to discuss the difference between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Both an interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns are used to form questions. The three most commonly used interrogative adjectives are whose, which and what. And the interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, what and which. These words whose, which and what can be used both as an interrogative adjective and as an interrogative pronoun. Then, how should we differentiate? You see, an interrogative adjective appears right before a noun. Look at this example. Whose shoes are these? Here, the interrogative adjective whose appears right before the noun shoes and asks a question about the shoes. Remember, adjectives are words that say something more about nouns. Which book did you like the most? Here, the interrogative adjective which appears right before the noun book. Which book did you like the most? What reason are you going to give for being absent? Again, the interrogative adjective what appears right before the noun reason to ask a question. So, interrogative adjectives are used to form questions and they appear right before a noun in a sentence. But interrogative pronouns are simply used to ask questions. Look at this question, what is your name? The answer is Vikas. Children, pronouns are words that replace a noun in a sentence. We have learnt that in our previous class. Now, here, when I ask what is your name, the answer is Vikas. So here, the questioning word what replaces the noun Vikas. So, what is the interrogative pronoun? Who is your friend? Ephraim Shalom Samuel is my friend. Here, the name Ephraim Shalom Samuel is replaced by the word who. When any word replaces a noun, it is a pronoun. Whom are you talking to? I am talking to my friend. What do you want? A book. Notice that after these words what, who, whom and what, a noun does not appear. After an interrogative pronoun, a noun does not appear, but interrogative adjectives always appear before a noun in a sentence. Read the sentences given below and say whether the statement following each one is true or false. Look at the first sentence. Whose doorbell did you ring by mistake? Here, the word doorbell is a noun and the word whose appears immediately before the noun to frame a question. So here, the word whose is an interrogative adjective because it has appeared before the noun doorbell. So in this sentence, whose is an interrogative adjective. But the statement following this sentence says, here whose is an interrogative pronoun. So is this statement true or false? It is false. Look at the second one. My favorite color is black. What is yours? In this sentence, the word what is not followed by a noun. So this is not an interrogative adjective, it is an interrogative pronoun. But the statement which follows this sentence says that in this sentence, what is an interrogative adjective? Is it true or false? It is false. Look at the third one. Which book did you borrow from the library? In this sentence, the word which is used to frame a question and it is followed by a noun. So, the word which is an interrogative adjective. The statement which follows it also says here which is an interrogative adjective. So, it is true. What remark did he make? In this sentence, the interrogative adjective what is followed by a noun, remark. But the statement which follows says that here what is an interrogative pronoun. Is it true or false? It is false because the word what appears immediately before a noun. It is an interrogative adjective and it is not an interrogative pronoun. Number 5. Whose is that bag lying around the corner? Here, the word whose is not followed by a noun. So, it is not an interrogative adjective. It is an interrogative pronoun. And the statement that follows it also says here whose is an interrogative pronoun. So, this statement is true. Look at the sixth one. What is the menu for today? Here, the word what is not followed by a noun. So, it is not an interrogative adjective, it is an interrogative pronoun. But the statement that follows this sentence says, here what is an interrogative adjective. So, this statement is false. Which is the purse you wanted, the grey or the black? Here also the word which is not followed by a noun. So it is not an interrogative adjective, it is an interrogative pronoun. And the statement which follows this sentence says, here which is an interrogative pronoun. So this statement is true. Whose story should I believe, his or yours? In this sentence, the word story is a noun. It immediately follows the word whose. That means the word whose here is an interrogative adjective. But the statement which follows this sentence says, here whose is an interrogative pronoun. So, this statement is false. I hope this short video helped you understand the difference between an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative adjective. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, remember this. I love you all.